Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be showing you how to connect your Xbox Series X or S controller to your Android phone so you can play games on your phone with your controller. It's really quite simple to do. Now unfortunately not every game is compatible with the controller, but many of them are, and it is a ton of fun playing on your phone with a controller. So let's go ahead and dive right into connecting these up. Alright, so it's really quite simple to connect your Xbox Series X or S controller to your Android phone. The first thing we need to do is get into our Bluetooth settings here on our Android phone. I happen to have a shortcut to my settings as an icon here. If you don't have one of those, you can swipe down from the top. And in the top right hand corner, you should see a little gear or sprocket. You can go ahead and click on that. That's going to take you right into the settings in your Android phone. Now from here we need to get into our Bluetooth settings. So they happen to be under the connections option for myself here. If you're not seeing that, you can actually click on the search icon or the magnifying glass in the top corner and search for Bluetooth here. I have it in one of my recent searches. That should take you to the correct place. Now we're going to go ahead and click on connections here, and you're going to see the option that says Bluetooth, and we're going to go ahead and click on Bluetooth. And this is going to take us into the Bluetooth settings. Now the first thing we need to do is make sure that our Bluetooth is turned on. So if it's off, if that toggle switch is off, you do need to make sure that that is turned on. You can go ahead and turn that on. From there, we need to go ahead and search for our device. So we need to click on this scan option up here in the top right hand corner. If you're not seeing that, you might need to click on the menu drop down here, the three dots, and look for it in there. We're going to go ahead and push scan, and you can see it's scanning for Bluetooth devices. So we need to get our controller here into pairing mode. On the top of our controller, there is a button with 3 lines, and that puts our controller into pairing mode. So let's go ahead and push the connect button. We're going to hold it down for about 2 to 3 seconds, and you're going to see the Xbox light here starts blinking. And we need to go ahead and maybe hit scan again here if we took too long to do that. So once we've done that, it's going to continue searching for this device. And if we scroll down to the bottom here, under available devices, you're going to see now it says Xbox wireless controller. Once we see that, we can go ahead and click on Xbox wireless controller, and it's going to start pairing. It says Bluetooth pairing request, pair with Xbox wireless controller. We're just going to go ahead and hit pair here, and it's going to start pairing our controller to our phone. Now, if I go back up here, it should be towards the top. It says Xbox wireless controller, and it's connected. Let's go ahead and check it out and make sure it works. So you can see I can move around here. There's a box that goes around all my apps. And if I go over here, let's go ahead and load up a game. I've got Rocket League here, and I can push A to load that up. And let's go ahead and try this out. And everything seems to be working perfectly here in Rocket League. Side swipe, the jump, the boost, it's all there. And it's really that simple to connect your Xbox Series X or S controller to your Android phone. So I hope this tutorial was able to help you connect your Xbox Series X or S controller to your Android phone. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are interested, I have created a video on how to connect your Xbox controller to Windows 11. I'll have that video linked up here in the corner and in the description. Thank you so much for watching today. Remember to like and subscribe here on YouTube and connect with me on social media. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.